Remember, our calves are our second heart, so we want to get that blood circulation pumping up. Get rid of any negative inflammation that can cause issues, pain, swelling. It ain't no fun, right? All right, so we're gonna start with our feet in that sumo position. You're just in a baby squat, chest up, shoulder blades back. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna rock to the side, pull the toes toward your shin, get that stretch around the back of the ankle and up your calf. I like it pushing my booty back so you even get that advantage all the way up to the glutes, and then switch. And switch. You gotta do, if you do Tai Chi, this is a Tai Chi one.
Yeah.
And it's so good. Exhale. Pushing the booty back. Yes, good. And blow your air out. Woo! Breathe in and blow out. Feel that stretch. This is so good for our feet, for our ankles, calves. Woo! Nice job. One more on each side. Perfect. And rest. Now we're going to stay wide. We're going to stay wide this time. Chest up, shoulders back. You can have hands back here or resting here. And then you're going to push through the toes. So you're pressing your toes down. We're not going on the tip toes. Perfect. And we're going to squeeze the right calf. Ooh, press that heel down. Holy moly. Squeeze it so hard you get a Charlie horse. Do it. Squeeze the left. Press that heel down. And then right. If you work on your feet a lot, I know so many of y'all work at computers and you're always like, or but we want to still work around the calves, ankles, right? Feet. So this one helps relieve that tension in your feet. Woo! Squeeze those calves as hard as you can, every rep. Big breath in, blow out, flex. Breathe in, blow out, squeeze. Okay, one more on each side, starting now. So we have 2 reps left. Squeeze that right or left calf and switch. Woo! Press the heel down. Okay, we're gonna rock. Lifting the toes. Go, 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 go. Yes. You're doing awesome. Woo! Woo! Ooh, yeah. One more on each side. All right, very good. Now we're gonna make sure feet are wide. We're gonna come down. Knees over the ankles. I don't want your knees so wide that your knees start to creep in. I don't want your feet so wide that the knees creep in. Okay, we want the knees over the ankles. Right? Then come down, feel that nice stretch. So this is excellent. We're stretching through that psoas muscle, which is going to help strengthen pelvic floor. It also allows you to strengthen the muscles around the hips and your abs effectively. Okay, now we're gonna just do a little rock side to side, even if it's tiny. Yes, good. Very good. Woo! Okay, and stand. Perfect. Okay, 2 big gulps of water. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna stretch the quads, hip flexors. Okay, so you can stabilize. Try doing a 2-finger spot, so not. Then we're also working our stabilizing muscles and our balance, our agility, all of these things that are so important. Okay, we're gonna take the left foot up, and you're gonna squeeze that left glute. Squeeze it, and you'll feel the stretch all the way down. You feel the difference? And then you can try to release the glute after you get into that good stretch. Let's do a big breath in. That's so awesome.
The fact that I can grab that first
yes.
is tremendous success.
So awesome. Let's do that big, slow breath in and out. Stretching all those muscles you worked so hard tonight. Okay, now everybody squeeze that left glute again. Squeeze it, feel how that really intensifies that stretch and even gets up into that nice, up into the hip flexor. Oh yeah, one more big breath in. As you exhale, go ahead and come down. Good job. Good job. Come on. Okay, let's stretch the other side. So start in a good position with those feet under the hips. And then bring that right leg up. You're gonna squeeze the right glute for a deeper stretch and to really maximize the effectiveness of this stretch. Oh, it feels good, doesn't it? Let's do that big slow breath in and out. Okay, now release the glute on that right side. You're just gonna hold that stretch for a moment. Big slow breath in and out. Okay, now we're gonna squeeze that glute again. And you feel that stretch deepen and intensify. Big slow breath in. As you exhale, bring the leg down. Perfect. Good job. Love it.